Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap here to the cellular section. Tap to the SIM pin, and to remove SIM pin from SIM card you should turn off the switcher. So just tap on the switcher and after that enter your currently PIN code. Then just tap to OK to done button. Okay. Done. Okay, so we just successfully turned it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.